What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be a video review of this little tiny Rubik's Cube. It's not made by Rubik's. I think it's made by somebody that's OZ, I think the company is. And so I'm going to show you how to solve it anyway, part 1. So first off, if you scramble it, so it's like wait, how do I do this again? Like this. Then what you have to do is take it down like this, and twist it, and then twist it again, and you have that. Then you fold this up. Then you twist it around, because then it would be the same. Then you twist it back down, and voila. Alright guys, I can't show. Stay up camera. Then here you have the Rubik's Cube. And that's it for this episode. So like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!